You're watching Isle of I, where we show you cool spots to eat. My name is Nate, and today we're here in Reseda and we're checking out Bomb Burgers. Now they're bringing Midwest flavor right here to LA in the Valley with the Juicy Lucy. And if you don't know what the Juicy Lucy is, come check it out. Let's go. So I'm sitting literally curbside, and they're just set up right on the sidewalk. They got a grill, they got a fryer. I found these guys on Yelp. They had some really good reviews, and they got a good looking burger. So let's check this out. But so as far as this burger, they're basically bringing a Midwestern burger here. So if you guys don't know what a Juicy Lucy is, a Juicy Lucy basically has cheese in a patty. And then when you take a bite, that cheese just oozes out of the patty, right? I've actually tried to make this burger, this kind of patty myself, and I failed miserably. So let's check this out. And one of the things that you actually see is like that patty's pretty thick. All right, let's take a bite.
Higher?
Huh? Higher?
Closer?
You can see that cheese right there. Oh, and they recommended getting a medium patty. I mean, if you want to cook more thoroughly, you can get it well done. But look at that cheese right there. My recommendation, eat it right off the grill, so that way the cheese oozes. We were kind of doing a little B-roll, doing a little footage, so it sat here for a second, but man, this is a greasy burger. I like it. And they come with fries and a drink too. And they give you two. So they give you, so for 14 bucks, they give you two bomb burgers and a drink. Good burger. Really good burger. Restaurants where I can just chill on the curb and then just drive off afterwards with a satisfied stomach. If you guys haven't checked this spot out, I'm gonna put their address down below so that way you can check them out. Also, if there's other spots you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below. But do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos like this one. Share this with your family and friends because they'll love it, and we'll catch you next video. Peace.